What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Drippy. Back with another video, back with another banger, man. As y'all can tell in the title, we doing another POV video for y'all today, but we doing a Halloween POV video for y'all today. It's just a simple POV, but we doing it for Halloween, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all really enjoying these videos, so I'm gonna keep dropping these car videos for y'all today, man. Make sure y'all keep showing love to you, boy. We on the road to 1K. We almost there. Keep hitting that subscribe button, man. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And with that being said, man, let's get into the video. We got the Halloween POV for y'all boy today, man. I don't know if I sound stupid with that mask on, but y'all try to listen up for me, feel me? It's getting hot in here, so take your clothes off. Hey, it's too hot to be wearing all this, but you know I had to represent, you feel me? Drippy Monte, man, you know how to represent. And y'all really loving these POVs videos though. Like, what's special about these videos? Like, every time I post of a POV, it does great. Mid muffler delete on the V6, crazy. Sounds good for real though. Y'all should try if you got a V6. Mid muffler delete ain't bad. But at the same time, I don't know, because I got an older model Challenger and my junk got one pipe, so I don't know how it will sound on two. But if you got an older model V6 Challenger, that mid muffler delete sound freaking good. No cap. Watch it. Listen to it. That sound good. You recorded him? Huh?
Yeah, I did.
You recorded 12? Hey, 12 literally right behind me, so I gotta chill right now, you feel me? What y'all doing for Halloween, bro? What y'all doing for Halloween? I might go Joker and Harley Quinn. She want to be Harley Quinn so bad. Why do you want to be Harley Quinn so bad?
I don't know.
You don't know. Joker is tough. I'm not gonna lie. Huh?
I think she's cute.
You think she cute? Joker is tough.
I wanted to be Joker, actually.
Let me know in the comments what y'all doing for Halloween. charger look like. Now that one sounds weird. Yeah, that one sounded weird. I knew that truck was gonna do that shit. I knew that was gonna do that. Like, what the fuck? Killing me, bro. If you are in the market for a XT Challenger or Charger, and if it's your first purchase, should do it. Okay. I could've. I ain't do it cause you read that up. It's getting hot in here, so take your clothes off.
Are they ever gonna finish this construction?
I don't know what they're doing. My car, dog. I really do, man. That's crazy. I love my car. I know a lot of people criticize it behind my back. Like, I'm assuming they do because people just haters. But man, that's crazy. I don't care what they talking about. You feel me? Don't ever let nobody criticize you because what you got, more than likely they don't. And it's always the people who don't got it talking most trash. That's the crazy thing. I can't wait until I get a V8 though. It'll be a dream come true. Can one of y'all speed up, please? Lambo. Hey, man, hey, let me show y'all this Lambo, bro. This Lambo right here is tough. Y'all gotta see this Lambo. Is that him? Oh, he's filming it. Film that Lambo. That Lambo tough. See y'all, look, this is what I want right here. Y'all see this? Like, this is beautiful. It's like, it's crazy because a handicapped person driving that. Hold up, that Lambo, hey, I'm gonna have you one day. But this stuff down here as well. Corvette. Hop in the motherfucker jet.
Oh, look at that.
Man, we ain't talking about no Camaros, man. I'm zooming in on Camaros, zooming in on that vet. Nah, that Camaro is tough though, I like it. But this right here is different. Yeah, that's tough. It's tough.
There's a Charlie.
Charlie boys. And that's gonna wrap up the video, man. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. On the road to 1K, support your boy. Make sure you hit the sub button. Dropping many more car videos for y'all, man. If you enjoyed this video, seriously, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, I'll catch y'all boys next one.
10-17. He tryna pull up publicity stunt. These rappers be pussy, they bleed once a month.